2 to the 5th is really 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. How many times? 5 times. In the expression 2 to the 5th, 2 is the base and 5 is the exponent or power. We say 2 to the 5th power or 2 to the 5th. We also said that 2 to the 5th is a power of base 2, or simply a power of 2. 2 to the 5th times 2 to the 3rd, if we expand, is 2 times 2 times 2, 5 times, multiplied by 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times. Now the shortcut for this is to say that it's 5 plus 3, 2 to the 5 plus 3, which is 2 to the 8th. We just add the exponents. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. The formula will be AN times AM is equal to AN plus M. 2 to the 5th times 2 to the 3rd. 5 plus 3, 8. So it's 2 to the 8th. AN times AM is equal to AN plus M. For example 1, we'll use commutation to rearrange the factors. So we have 2 times 5, and then x to the 3rd times x to the 4th, y to the 2nd times y to the 7th. 2 times 5 is 10. X to the 4th times x to the 3rd. We add the exponent x to the 7. Y to the 2nd times y to the 7. Y to the 9. Rearranging the factors, we have 2 times 5 and x to the 3rd times x to the 4th. 2 times 5 is 10. And then we add the exponent 3 plus 4 equal to 7. So it's x to the 7. Rearranging the factors, negative 3 times 2. And then x to the 2nd times x to the 4th. Y to the 1st times y to the 3rd. Now, negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. 2 plus 4, 6. X to the 6. And 1 plus 3, 4. Remember, when there's no exponent, the exponent is 1. It's understood. 5 times 10, 50. And x to the 5th times x to the 10. X to the 15th. Negative 4 times negative 3. Positive 12. 2 plus 5, 7. X to the 7. 5 plus 2, 7. Y to the 7. 5 times 2, 10. 3 plus 7, 10. 8 to the 10. 4 plus 3, 7. B to the 7. And 10 plus 1, the understood 1, is 11. AN divided by AM is equal to AN minus M. 2 to the 5th over 2 to the 3rd will be 2 to the 5 minus 3, which is 2 to the 2nd. And if we wanted to, we could say it's 2 times 2, which is 4. Example 2, division. We have x to the 5th over x to the 2nd is x to the 5 minus 2. Y to the 7 over y to the 3rd is y to the 7 minus 3. Our final answer is x to the third, y to the fourth. We have 10 over 5 multiplied by x to the 10 over x to the fifth. 10 over 5 is 2. 10 divided by 5 times x to the 10 minus 5, which is 5. We have negative 3 over 12 for C, multiplied by x to the 7 over x to the second. Negative 3 over 12 can be reduced as 1 over 4 when we divide both numerator and denominator by 3. And x to the 7 divided by x to the second, it's 7 minus 2, which is 5. This can be written as negative 5 over 4 because x to the fifth will be multiplied by 1 and 4 will also be multiplied by 1.